Speed up NC programming, maximizing machine floor investments with new enhancements from Solid Edge CAM Pro. New in 2021 is PostHub, an online library of post-processors that makes integration with your machinery quick and easy. With new posts added regularly, PostHub is searchable with filters for machine type, manufacturer, controller type, and kinematic configuration. Once the desired post processor has been selected, it can be automatically downloaded and installed, and verifying the post's output is simple. Solid Edge CAM Pro now has multi-axis roughing, which is a great tool for quickly removing stock from aerospace parts like the one shown here. Multi-axis roughing uses adaptive roughing technology to machine parts in the most efficient manner. The world-class machining simulation tools increase confidence that the tool path is right the first time. Viewing the multi-axis roughing path in replay mode allows visualization of the tool axis tilting as the cutting tool removes the material. The 3D dynamic simulation option shows tool motion and concurrent material removal. Notice how multi-axis roughing efficiently removes material without ever burying the tool in the cut. That's extremely important for efficient machining. With machining simulation, users can view the actual machine motion, which delivers a very high confidence level and is necessary for complicated multi-axis machining centers. Solid Edge CAM Pro supports G-code-based simulation, meaning the virtual machining center is acting upon the G-code, just like the real machine will. Solid Edge CAM Pro delivers world-class technology and value for maximum productivity. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.